Hello guys, it's beautiful sunny day in Melbourne and I'm gonna do some solo bike ride today on my Supermoto 250 WR250 and let's go. Fuck me, it's too much traffic. Fucked up, bro. Just quick stop somewhere in Kingley. Look at this place, guys. So beautiful. $59 but still so good. Nice. I love it. I don't know this is private. I don't know this is private property or not. Looks so pretty. Let's go and check. This is someone's home. Fuck me. Okay guys, we are right here to see some waterfall. This is the entrance. Wombelano Falls. Here we go. I hope it will be not tiny waterfall, because last week it didn't rain, so I'm not sure. Let's see. Here we go. It's not bad. Yeah, I found a stick. I don't know you guys can hear it now, or not. The sound of the waterfall. I don't think my GoPro will capture the waterfall. It's so tiny. It's so tiny waterfall. Anyway, I will show you guys waterfall through my drone. Here we go, drone shot.
Just one more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye. You better save it for the middle of the night, when things aren't black and white. And the troubadour, remember 24. And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me, I was in it. I wave goodbye to the end of beginning.
Fucking slippery. Fuck. So fucking slippery. Sip. Fuck. Fuck yeah. This is fun.
Hey, you follow us.
We can go through there?
Yeah. You built some courage after we came down. That's good.
Woohoo! Hey, we're recording. I'm gonna